it's Mr. Fugate, Miss Lee again. Today we are making another foldable. Looks like this. So instead of doing just dividing and multiplying with the fractions, we are now moving on to integers. So we have all of our rules for adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing. Okay, so this is what it looks like. So in order to make that, you take your paper, like so, and fold it in both sides like a book. Fold it in, make your creases. Doesn't have to be perfect, but make your creases so it should look like this. So you have a left-hand side and a right-hand side. Now, take your paper and fold it down in the middle to make two more creases. So your book looks like this. Now, cut across these lines. Cut across those creases so that you make your book that will open out on all of the flaps. Different flaps.
Okay, very good. If you want to, you can write your name on the back because there's going to be a lot of these floating around. So go ahead and do that. When you're done with that, we are going to label the front 4 flaps. The left top flap is going to be adding integers. And I put a plus sign just in case you forget what adding means. The top right flap is subtracting integers. Integers. With a multiplication sign. And the bottom right is dividing integers. So, we're going to open the top left flap and it says adding. On the top of the left-hand side, have it open like this, the top left. We're going to write our rule, same sign. We always use a sign from the larger number. Okay? Moving on to the subtraction flap. Opening up the subtraction flaps.
Now remember, these ones both use the exact same rules. So when I open up my flap, like this, so now let's move to the dividing. Should look like this. Same rules as multiplying, 4 different examples.
And now you have a foldable that you can use on our test that we're going to have next week.